Word tutorial: how to start page numbering from a specific page easily. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to number pages in Microsoft Word starting from a specific page. Step-by-step guide to number pages from a specific page in Word. Number 1. Open your document. Open your Microsoft Word document where you want to start numbering pages from a specific page. Number 2. Insert a section break. Place your cursor. Click at the end of the page before the one you want to start numbering. Insert section break. Go to the Layout or Page Layout tab. Click on Breaks in the Page Setup group. Select Next Page under Section Breaks. Number 3. Access the header or footer area. Double-click. Double-click in the header or footer area of the page where you want to start the numbering. Number 4. Unlink headers or footers. Unlink. In the Header and Footer Tools Design tab that appears, click Link to Previous to unlink these sections, header or footer, from the previous section. Ensure the bottom is no longer highlighted. Number 5. Insert page numbers. Insert page number. Still in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, click on Page Number in the Header and Footer group. Choose the location, example, top of page, bottom of page, and the style of page number you prefer. Number 6. Format page numbers. Format numbers. Click on Page Number again in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. Select Format Page Numbers. In the Page Number Format dialog box, select Start At and enter the number you want to start the numbering with. Example, 1. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 7. Remove page numbers from previous sections. Go to Previous Section. Scroll to the previous section where you do not want page numbers. Remove page numbers. Double-click the header or footer area. Select the page number and press Delete. Since this section is unlinked, removing the page number here will not affect the new section. Number 8. Check for continuous page numbers. Ensure that the page numbers continue correctly from the page you specified onwards. Number 9. Close header or footer. Close. Once you are done, click Close Header and Footer or double-click outside the header or footer area. Number 10. Save your document. Do not forget to save your document to preserve the changes. In summary, by following these steps, you will be able to start page numbering from any specific page in your Word document without affecting the numbering of previous sections. This method involves using section breaks and unlinking headers or footers to control where the numbering begins. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Before we wrap up, I'd like to leave you with a little magic. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Remember, your dreams are the seeds of your future, so never stop believing in them. I'm incredibly grateful for each and every one of you who takes the time to watch, like, and comment. Your support means the world to me and keeps me inspired to create more content. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. As always, keep dreaming big, stay positive, and spread kindness wherever you go. Until next time, take care and keep shining.